Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right away. Open Instagram and go to the story camera or tap the plus icon to create a story. Once there, add your photo or video from camera roll. Next, tap stickers and choose music or open a saved audio clip from your profile's saved collection. Choose Use Audio so the file is linked. Do this now so the clip is ready to edit. Once done, make sure the audio shows on screen as a waveform before moving to trimming. Now fine-tune how the saved audio fits your story. Tap the waveform to set the exact timestamp and drag to trim to the desired segment. You can change the clip length and preview it. Make small adjustments to match beats or lip sync. Then adjust audio volume relative to original video or added voiceover so speech stays clear. After syncing, layer captions, stickers, or stickers that react to the audio. This improves engagement, and finish by choosing Share to your story or close friends. You can also save the draft to post later. Add a creator tag or on-screen credit so the audio author is visible, and confirm story sound settings are on so viewers hear it. If the audio doesn't appear or is grayed out, update Instagram, clear app cache, or re-download and resave the clip. Alternatively, screen record the audio locally and import it as a backup. If nothing works, try logging out and back in before posting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.